that's what they say. Used to not be allowed in the building, but now we on the rooftop. Used to not be allowed in the building, but now we on the rooftop. Yeah. Slow money's just. They don't want none. What up, Will? Yeah, bitch. I'm high, so I said it like that. Empty bottles of Clico and ashes on the floor. Towel under the door. We wasn't supposed to even smoke. I ain't tripping, never slip or slacking, no